Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I actually realized that I didn't record an intro video for the second video, so here it is. The second video is going to be where I ceramic coated and polished this. This is all done. I don't want to show it to you because it's really dusty right now, so once I do my first wash, which will be about 2 days from when I'm filming this, I'll do another video on that first wash after installing the 5-year ceramic coating that I did today. So enjoy the video, leave your comments down below, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, let's do this. So I got my DeWalt dual action polisher. I got my waffle pad. I got my one spray of polish here, gold standard polish. There you go. Let's go ahead and start. Wow, so I really realized that I missed some key information here. So this is a video using DIY Detail products. I'm using the waffle pad from DIY Detail with their gold standard polish. It's a sprayable polish. On my DeWalt there, I have it at, I think, 3,500 RPM. The highest I went was 4,000. And right now I'm just doing a test spot. I'm gonna see if it's gonna take care of some of the water spots that are on there. All right, so here's my wool pad with the one spray of gold standard. Let's get it. All right, so I unfortunately acquired some water spots in the month that we had it painted, and I was waiting for the paint to gas off, so the regular waffle pad wasn't taking that off, so I went to the DIY Detail wool pad to see if that would work, and we're gonna go ahead and do another spot. I'll talk about it after that. Okay, so like I said, we just got done with the waffle pad, and then that didn't work, so we went over to their wool pad. Let's go ahead and check out the results that we get from that. Over there, much better. Much better. So I am going to continue to go over the rest of this panel with this process. It looks like I don't see really any trails in there. We'll do a sun test, of course, but I'm going to go ahead and try this process on the rest of the hood. All right, so I just got done hitting the hood. It did a very good job. The wool pad did of knocking things down, knocking down the heavy water spotting. You see, here's the issue though. Here's the issue though. The wool pad is very aggressive. So if you can see that, those lines right there, that right there, it's leaving buffer trails. So I'm gonna have to go back over it again with the waffle pad, same polish, and get rid of that. Okay, so as you can see, all those buffer trails are gone. It's looking good. So here, what I'm gonna do after this is I'm gonna finish the fenders. I gotta do the front, right? Front fenders. I'm gonna go ahead and do that myself off camera because I'm focusing mainly on the hood today. After that, to you, it'll look like I go straight to ceramic coating, but after that, I'm actually gonna start applying the ceramic coating to the vehicle. All right, so I just spent the last little while finishing up this hood. I'm taking it out here for a sun check. Just so you know, it's not perfect. I'm not going for perfect. I'm not really a polisher who goes for perfect. I like to get it as good as I can while also preserving clear coat. I plan to keep this vehicle for a while, which is why I'm gonna recoat it. So let me show you what I got. All right. So here's your sun check. You're gonna see some small amounts of defects. There we go. Okay, so you're gonna see some small amounts of things left in there. Like I said, I am not going for 100%. I am not going to do that. That's not what I'm interested in. Just trying to get it the best that I can. This Mercedes paint is very tough to deal with, but I'm definitely happy with where we are at. So I'm going to get ready to coat it. All right, so we got a few things here. We got the applicator that it comes with a little hand strap. This is going to be our 5-year coating. We got some low nap towels for the first wipe, some higher nap towels for the second wipe. And then right now we're going to do panel prep. So right now we're going to start prepping the panel. It's isopropyl alcohol mix. Let's get it. Okay, so panel prep. You can tell this is definitely a high alcohol product. You can smell it. You can very much smell the alcohol in this product. Okay, so this coating is supposed to be very easy to use. They sent with me, like I said, a high nap towel, low nap towel. I got the actual coating itself. This here is just a 1 fluid ounce, right, which is probably like a 30 mil. Go ahead and use the applicator. Kind of looks like a wax applicator, but it's pretty cool. It's got a little hand thing right here. Now this one, this coating, whew, it's strong. This coating, from what I understand, is going to allow for a lot longer flash time, so we don't have to worry about it flashing so fast, which is always good. It's more user-friendly. So here we go. We're going to apply this. The way that I've seen them apply it is in circular motions, like this. And this is just to make sure that we don't miss any spots. From what I understand, I should be able to do a larger panel or a larger amount of area with this. But it is rainbowing already. It's a little warm in here. In the garage, it's about 80-something degrees probably. I'd say it's about 80-something. If you can see that, it's already starting to rainbow right there. So I'm going to wait just a few seconds. I'm going to come in with this low nap towel for the first wipe. Then I'm going to come in with a high nap towel and then finish it off. Let's go ahead and start leveling the coating out. Remember, we're not wiping off the coating. We are leveling the coating. We are leveling it. There's the low nap. I'm going to go with my higher nap. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Wow. That couldn't have been easier if I wanted it to. If I wanted that to be easier, it couldn't have. So I'm going to go up here and finish her off. Make sure that we're getting the rest of this side right here. She's squeaking. Okay. See, my left hand is not my strong hand, so I apologize if my circles look weird. So again, we're doing circles so we can fill in the space. I can tell there is a lot of coating on here, so I am going to spread it out more. And I'm going to coat this area here with that coating because there's so much on the applicator. This product here, very little goes a long way, I'm learning. So again, here's your coating. Certainly rainbowing, as you can see. I'm going to come back with my low nap. I'm going to start to level it. We want to make sure that we don't get any high spots here. I can already see there was a couple right up here. Again, I'm going to go back over this with the high nap. Yeah, this coating is starting to feel slick already. Starting to feel slick already, and I'm assuming it's going to get way slicker. Okay, so one thing I wanted to point out before I finish. Whenever you're doing a panel, if you have a panel gap right here, a panel line right here, when you're doing your last buff, you always want to buff over the line. Because a lot of times, whenever you come this way and you stop and you move back, that's when you get product that builds up. So on the top, right here, across these lines, all the way down here, any corners like this. Okay. So that's on there. It is extremely glossy already. It's already getting slick. I'm going to do the front right here, and then I'll be done. All right, guys, so here it is. She's all done, recoated. I'm telling you, that was probably one of the easiest coatings, if not the easiest coating I've ever used. So again, I used the 5-year from DIY Detail. So this stuff rainbows. I like rainbowing products. Some products sweat. Rainbow, I just feel like is a lot easier to see, and it makes it easier to make sure you don't have any high spots. So this just got recoated. I pulled it out for a sun check. Remember, we did all the front, the 2 fenders, and the hood. That was what was all replaced and messed up with the buffer and everything from the Bodyshop. So I have crystal serum light on the rest of the vehicle, and on the front I have DIY Detail 5-year ceramic coating. So I am going to keep paying attention to this. I'm going to do some follow-up videos to see how the performance is after a couple months, maybe every quarter or so. That way I can let you guys know how I feel about this long term, because to be honest, I don't know. Right now, I'm impressed with the application. I feel like anybody could do it with this kind of product right here. So thank you to Nick and Ivan for sending this over. If you guys do want to save some money buying from them, make sure you use my code. It's in the link down below. Save you guys some money. If you guys have any questions or anything, or have any input, as long as it's not hate related, go ahead and put it down below. If it is hate related, I guarantee you it will be deleted. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.